How to Raise a Bilingual Child by Patricia Valdez. What is bilingual? Bilingual is understanding and speaking two languages fluently. For example, when a student who speaks English as their primary language but can also speak Spanish as their second language. Why is it important? Being bilingual is important as it gives the person the ability to communicate with other people from different places who speak different languages. What are some challenges in raising a bilingual child? Patience, having a positive attitude, and educating yourself. A parent, a teacher, or a caregiver should always have the patience when helping a child who is developing a second language, as it takes time to learn. For example, it is important to pay attention to cues, interests your child follows. A child is more likely to learn new words when an adult focuses on objects that the child is interested in as opposed to what the adult is interested in. Positive attitude. Parents or caregivers who is educating a bilingual child should always remain positive as it is not a simple task. For example, selecting a strategy that works best for your family/caregiver. Parent A, who speaks one language, parent B speaks another language, can both decide what language will be spoken each day of the week. If parent B feels like the child needs to practice the second language a little more than parent A, then both parents will have to agree with that so that the child can expand his or her knowledge for that second language. Educating yourself. Parents should learn more about bilingualism. There is more out there in the world parents should learn, like the beliefs that bilingualism leads to language disorders and learning disabilities, or that bilingual children are focused by hearing more than one language. Also, parents who have children should consider the two-way immersion program, which helps students learn two different native languages. Another way parents can help themselves by helping their child or children is by telling stories about the language and its people, cooking native foods, visiting their restaurants, and attending their festivals. These are the two works cited links that helped me complete my PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.